Hey, so for last two faces on megaminx, I think that lots of the time people just solve whatever they see, which can make lookout worse because you don't have anything specific that you're looking for. It can make ergonomics worse because you're just kind of solving whatever, and it could leave you in situations where you have to do lefty moves, rotations, whatever. And I just think it's kind of in general bad to do that, and you should have somewhat of an order at least and a way that you deal with things. So if you're wondering, like, well, why does it matter that I'm saying this? I'm not good. I know one of his exam solves before, or maybe a reconstruction of one of his solves, I don't remember. He did say that I think, tries to solve either this block first or this block. I don't remember if he did say this block can work, but I remember he did specify that this block was one of the things. So I'll just show you the way that I like to do it first. So I'll typically try to use this edge unless I see something really good from here. So I'll just insert it into here. And this is trying to avoid rotations, avoid lefty moves. So you insert it, and then you just solve this pair. If this edge, or if this corner was down here, I would do an F first. Or no, if it was down here, so that this doesn't happen, I would do an F first. But, you know, obviously it's not there. So I can just insert, and then you solve this. You should know solutions for this a lot, even when this edge is misoriented. Like here, it's really easy. Just sexy move hedge, and then F. And then let's say for here, there isn't really anything that nice, but you can just do this. And then here, if you want, you can rotate, or you can just do something like that, which does give you a dot, but whatever. So then, like, for another example here, I can see this pair. If I do this, it gets misoriented. So instead, what you can do first, you just want to make sure that this stays oriented so you can move it out of the way and then do it. And then for a case like this, what you can do is you can do simultaneous L and R moves to make it so you're not really regripping that badly. Then here, if I do this, I either have to do lefty moves, rotate, or get a really awkward solution. So after I do the R prime, you can do a U move to move it out of the way, then L. And then here, you think, oh, this is a bad case, I have to rotate, but you should do FR, UF prime stuff for this, in my opinion. I see, I don't know, I'll do it a lot in his exam solves. So basically what this is you need this edge to be misoriented when you do an F. It's already misoriented, so you can just move it out of the way and do the F. And you just need to pair this up. So that's the equivalent to this case on 3x3. So just do that, move it here, and then do the F prime. Of course, if you had a case like this, it would probably be better to rotate. Like, just something, I don't know, just like that, I guess, rotate, insert, and then obviously just continue with it however you want. But just, I feel like trying to minimize rotations and lefty moves in last two faces and have a general order can really help to just increase your ergonomics and look at it in this stage. And even if you don't follow what I said here, I feel like you should create some sort of way that you do it yourself so that you aren't just, like, fumbling around trying to figure out what to do in the middle of your last two faces.